Hello, dear L1 students, and welcome to Lesson 5 of English for ICT. Today we will learn how to write well-structured paragraphs, specifically in the context of ICT topics. You will learn how to organize ideas clearly and logically so that you can improve your writing and your writing becomes more academic, coherent, and by the end of this lesson you will be able to structure a paragraph correctly, write topic sentences, supporting ideas, and conclusion sentences. You will be able as well to use transition words to create coherence and produce a well-organized ICT related. Let's start. What is a paragraph? A paragraph is one block of writing, one block of text that expresses one main idea which is coherent and well organized. It is usually between 5 to 8 sentences. In the previous lesson we have mentioned the difference between a paragraph and an essay. We have said that a paragraph is one block, however an essay contains so many paragraphs. It contains the introductory paragraph, the developmental paragraphs, and the conclusion. We mentioned that the introduction includes the first sentence, which is the hook. We said that it should be attractive to attract the reader attention to carry on reading the full text. It as well contains supporting details of the hook main idea and a thesis statement. When we break down a thesis statement, we get the ideas, the topic ideas that we can use to create developmental paragraphs, and as well a conclusion is generally a restatement of the introduction with the final thought. Let's see what are the components of a paragraph. Today we're going to learn the components of what we call developmental paragraph. We have finished with the introduction and let's start the developmental paragraph. Of course, it is one block of text. It starts with an indentation in the first line. That is to say, you need to leave a space in the first line of the paragraph. After that, you start your developmental paragraph by a topic sentence which includes the main idea of this paragraph, supporting details which could be facts, examples, illustrations, explanations, and so. To relate between the supporting ideas, you can use transition words to connect the ideas and a concluding sentence to wrap up the idea. Dig in the topic sentence. It introduces the main idea of the developmental paragraph. It should be clear, direct, and focused. Here is an example. Artificial intelligence is transforming data analysis. From this sentence, we understand that this paragraph is going to speak about how AI contributes in the transformation of data analysis. Let's see another example. Cloud computing offers scalable storage solutions. From this topic sentence, we understand that the main idea of the paragraph is about how cloud computing offers scalable storage solutions. After the topic sentence, we need to support it with supporting details. Supporting details should explain, describe, or give evidence from science or from experiences. It includes facts, examples. You can use as well statistics as percentages or numbers from ICT concepts. Make the topic sentence stronger by giving supporting details. Examples of supporting details. AI improves diagnosis accuracy. This is an example of how AI contributes in diagnosis accuracy. Cloud storage allows remote access. This is an example. It could be as well an evidence. Networks connect devices for data sharing. To connect between the supporting IDs, you can use transition words or what we call linking words. They allow you to have coherence, that is to say, a logical flow between the IDs. Use transitions to connect IDs. To add another idea, you can use furthermore, moreover, in addition, or additionally. To contrast the idea, you can use but, however, on the other hand, or although. To use a transition word for the concluding sentence, you can use therefore, as a result, consequently, in conclusion, to sum up, or to conclude. The concluding sentence summarizes the paragraph. It restates the main idea using different words. It may include a final comment or prediction. For example, therefore, AI will continue to reshape healthcare services in the future. That was all for today's lesson. Don't forget to practice the activities in the PDF version of the course. See you next week, inshallah. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video.